I mean, that's kind of cool, having flag football as an Olympic sport.
Yeah.
I think that's fun.
I could also have a touch football, maybe, or something like that, because that could kind of represent college football sometimes when they forget to tackle.
The weather right now is not the best for that, but.
Well, let's go ahead and look at our visibility right now. We have some dense fog along the Oregon coast here at Gold Beach, 3/4 mile visibility. A little bit better down towards Brookings at 3 miles, but still pretty socked in over in Mount Sexton. So if you're traveling up north, keep that in mind. But current temperatures in the region, we're pretty much into the 40s and 50s, generally 50 to 55 or really 53 to 55 up and down I-5 and including along the Oregon coast. Extending out towards the east, we're in the 40s to low 50s, 50 in Christmas Valley, 45 right now in Klamath Falls. We do have showers in the vicinity. They're very small and they're very isolated and they're quick moving. So when I was out on the weather deck, I got rained on, but then a couple minutes later it was gone. So there's still a little bit of activity, but up towards Crater Lake, there's snow going on at this particular time. In fact, expecting 3 to 5 inches throughout the date's days once you get up to the summit over there. So we Mount Ashland Ski Resort did pick up just a trace earlier today as well. So there's still snow in the region, but of course the higher elevations. Most of the showers though to our north and to our west, but they're going to continue to filter in because there is an area of low pressure off of Washington coast moving inland. That'll trigger more showers. High pressure building in to our west. That'll improve our weather throughout the day today or for tomorrow. But in the meantime, we're going to have scattered showers throughout the region. They'll decrease after we go past sunset. Tomorrow, expect widespread fog and low clouds, even here in the Rogue Valley as well, but mostly out east of the Cascades. So keep that in mind for traveling purposes for tomorrow. And we're going to see, after the fog burns off, we'll just see some high clouds throughout the region for tomorrow. But then we get to Friday, and then we'll start seeing those showers along the Oregon coast mid to late morning. They'll eventually make it into the Rogue Valley, but that should wait until late afternoon, early evening, and then they make it east of the Cascades, but by the time they get there, they kind of wash out, so there's not a whole lot of activity left for you folks over there. Our planner for today, it's going to be cool, it's going to be cloudy, we're going to have showers throughout the day. Temperatures are going to primarily be into the 50s today, although we'll make it up to 61 in Medford, 59 in Brookings, 34 and snowy up in Crater Lake, and 56 for Mount Shasta City. We'll clear out tonight, but we'll have fog and low clouds widespread throughout the region, generally looking at 30s and 40s for tonight. So there's our system across the eastern part of the state that moves off to the east tomorrow. Thursday, high pressure builds in. We're going to be in a southwesterly flow for the eclipse, so we're going to be looking at mostly cloudy weather, so definitely not ideal. That sticks around through Sunday and into Monday. Another system pushes through. The kind of weather that we want for the eclipse happens Wednesday of next week, so I wish we could switch that around, but fortunately, this doesn't work for that purpose. For chances of rain, what we're going to be looking at is wet for today, dry for tomorrow, but the chance of rain exists for the remainder part of the 7-day period. This is the eclipse forecast for the actual eclipse time at 9 o'clock at this particular time. This is kind of a low resolution imagery. It's showing pretty cloudy throughout the region. So hopefully this is not what happens, but this is kind of a preliminary thing. And also in terms of the eclipse times, we're going to be pretty much into the 40s and 50s for temperatures. A lot of clouds in the region. So hopefully we can just kind of space out and kind of part out the sun and make that sun really at least visible for the eclipse time. So here's your 7-day forecast for the Oregon coast. We'll be looking at morning fog for tomorrow. Rain likely begins on Friday and sticks around for the next several days after that. For Northern California, we'll be in the 60s for the most part, at least through Saturday with the exception of Friday, and then 70s begin once we get towards Sunday of next week. Klamath Basin, chance of showers today and dry for Thursday and Friday, and then more showers resume over the weekend. For the Cascades, cool and rainy throughout the day today, except for Crater Lake, you're getting snow up there, and then temperatures warm up to about 60 degrees by the time we get towards Friday. And in the Rogue Valley, will be cool and cloudy today with some showers, and then tomorrow dry after some morning fog, warmer about 72 degrees, and then we'll be right around 70 degrees for the next couple of days after that. So hopefully we can be nice just in time for the eclipse.